Hi guys, my name's Matt, and welcome to our stacked Cornerstone final project. We have Rachel, Max, and TJ. And the four of us, we make up Team for the W, for the win. So for our final project, we chose to focus on resiliency of sand dunes. And we drew our inspiration from Hurricane Sandy, which is a hurricane that affected New Jersey. And that hit pretty close to home, because three of us were from that state. So as we got a little bit more into sand dunes, we started to learn how resilient they were and what parts they applied to. And that was mostly protection and preparation. So we made this poster for the kids, and Rachel's going to come out here and explain it. That sort of gives them some information about resiliency.
Yeah, so like Matt said, we have designed a poster that talks about the resiliency of sand dunes. We outline what is resiliency, include a photo of the resilient engineering design cycle. Also talk about what are sand dunes and what makes them resilient structure, in addition to including a bunch of photos on sand dunes and hurricane damage.
Awesome, so that's the mostly informative part of our project. And as we come over here, we can see the interactive part of our exhibit. And that starts with this display right here that Max is gonna take you guys through.
So basically this is just a storyline that the kids could go through to get a sense of like connection with the town that we're displaying here, the town of Northeasternville. So they're basically just gonna click through these slides, and once they get to the side where it's saying, oh no, a hurricane's about to hit, we'll secretly click this button back here, which will release the hurricane onto the homes that don't have sand dunes there. So the alarm's going off. And then they'll continue to go through the slides, being educated on sand dunes and hurricanes.
And that'll take us to the interactive portion where they get to build their own dune. So Rachel and I are gonna demo this as TJ sets this back up. So basically what they're gonna be doing is taking this Play-Doh and creating a dune that's gonna prevent the houses from being knocked over. And we thought this would be a pretty fun interactive element for our design, just because it'll get the kids involved a little bit more. They'll have some attachment to what happens. So once we get going, we're gonna hit this red dome button, and that's gonna start off a timer. And Max, if you hit the timer, we'll wait for the first high-pitched beep, and that'll mean for us to go, and we're the kids. So there we go. We gotta build our dunes. I'm not gonna get super in depth with the dune building here. And they build them on these nice placemats. And after the second high beep, which ends the timer, we're gonna have people, it'll be us right now, but place the dunes in there. And as you see, one of them landed, or one of them didn't hit, and the other one did.
So you'll notice that this side failed, so this is the only side that has the lights and siren going off, but if both failed, both sides would have the lights and sirens going off.
And that's most of our project.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
This has been Team for the win.